A Missouri statute that required sign postings on registered sex offender residencies has recently been ruled unconstitutional, and the Buchanan County Sheriff's Department wants to elaborate on what this means for any trick-or-treaters and parents. KQ2's Noelle Hardin spoke with Sheriff Pewitt and learned more on this decision and why it was deemed unconstitutional.
According to a press release from the Buchanan County Sheriff's Department, a judge from the Eastern District of Missouri issued a ruling that a Missouri statute that requires all registered sex offenders to have signage in front of their residencies on Halloween was unconstitutional. The argument was that the statute infringed on First Amendment rights.
The federal court judge made this decision, and so right now it's the law. We don't know if there will be further appeals or any other issues, but for this year we will abide by this judge's decision, of course, and we will not enforce the sign part of the statute, but all the other portions of the statute are completely enforceable.
This change does not mean the Sheriff's Department will neglect to perform routine checks on these residencies, and registered sex offenders will still have to continue to abide the law by not handing out candy, keeping all lights off, and refraining from performing any other Halloween activities.
No, this will not change anything. We'll have approximately 15 teams out, and we'll have support staff here at the office, so we usually have about 40 people working this event, and so we will check every registered sex offender address once, sometimes twice, like we always do.
Anybody found non-compliant of these laws will be handled by the Sheriff's Department, and they assure people that Halloween will continue to be a safe activity for children.
We go out and we physically check to make sure that the statute is being followed. That is, that the lights aren't on, that they're not handing out candy, that they're at home. All those portions of the statute still remain into effect.
For anyone questioning a specific address, the Sheriff's Department recommends going to the State Highway Patrol's website, which is the most accurate and updated place for all registry information. You can also call the Sheriff's Department for any concerns at 816-236-8872. Noelle Hardin, KQ2 News.
The Sheriff's Department also wants to address any concerns surrounding homeless individuals on the sex offender registry, stating they will be required to remain at the Sheriff's Office from 5 to 10 p.m. on Halloween night.